Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to activate your National Bank debit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get to the video right away. There are different methods you can activate your National Bank's debit card, so let's go ahead and get to them. The first thing to do is to open a web browser and log into your National Bank online banking account. You may also open up the National Bank mobile application on your mobile devices. Type down the official URL for National Bank, which is nbc.ca, and press enter on your keyboard, and you will find yourself in the official website. Now, click on Sign In appearing at the top right and select your personal banking or business banking options, which will take you to the sign in page. The next thing to do is to log in using your email ID and password associated with your online banking account. Enter your email in the first text box and then enter your password on the next. If you don't have an online banking account yet, you first need to create a new account by clicking on Create Your Account at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Once you type down your credentials, click on Sign In, and this will sign you in to your National Bank online banking account. Now, after you're signed into your account, you can look for the section where your account's debit card is available. Now, once you're logged into your account, you'll need to go ahead and look for the debit card option. Tap on Activate Debit Card or something similar and follow through the instructions provided on the screen, which will include entering your card number, expiration date, and security code. So after submitting the required information, you will be able to activate your debit card online. You can also go ahead and make a phone call in the number that is available on your debit card itself, or visit the nearest ATM for National Bank and insert your card and follow through the on-screen instructions provided on the screen. So those were some of the methods you can activate your National Bank's debit card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.